In a world where space is becoming a luxury, this home stands apart. Crafted for families who dream bigger, this expansive residence offers room to grow, room to breathe, and room to live the life you've always imagined. Here, every detail is elevated, from the high-end finishes to the seamless flow of open sunlit spaces. Step inside and feel the calm of a private retreat, a sanctuary designed for comfort, connection, and unforgettable moments. Just beyond your doorstep, the rhythm of an active lifestyle awaits. World-class facilities, leisure options, and everything needed to support the modern family. This is more than a villa. It's a promise of luxury. A commitment to convenience, a setting where every day feels effortless, and every moment feels extraordinary. For families seeking premium, living with unmatched space and serenity, your next chapter begins right here.